the potential conflict with Iran, the F-22's capabilities address fundamental strategic challenges. Iran has layered defense systems, long-range missiles, and radar networks that could threaten conventional aircraft. For any coalition strike, whether US, Israel, or allied, gaining air superiority early is essential to protect follow-on forces. By deploying Raptors forward, the US signals that it can operate with relative freedom in contested air environments. But the Raptors do not operate in isolation. They are part of a larger air power architecture that includes aerial refueling tankers, F-35 multi-role fighters, and sensor fusion command and control networks that sharing real-time intelligence, ground-based air defense protecting bases, and critical infrastructure. Together, this network increases situational awareness far beyond what any single platform could achieve alone. So what do 20+ F-22s really mean in this scenario? Their presence signals US readiness to protect Israeli airspace, respond to action with advanced capability, while simultaneously multiplying the effectiveness of all other manned and unmanned aircraft by dominating the air domain, providing strategic leverage in both negotiation and rapid contingency scenarios, and allowing military planners to manage escalation rather than accelerate it. Although the F-22 Raptor is not a magic bullet and does not guarantee specific outcomes on its own, in a complex geopolitical environment where airspace control is decisive, it remains one of the few systems capable of shaping the air domain from very first day. At a time when stability in the Middle East hangs on delicate balances, the deployment of advanced air superiority fighters is both a strategic signal and a substantive shift in capability posture.